The 60's New Yorker is one of our longest running jackets, featuring an asymmetrical zipper, full sleeve zip out liner, and 2 interior pockets. One large chest pocket, 2 chest vents, and a key pocket located on the left arm. 2 zippered slash pockets, YKK zippers, button snap and zippered sleeves. The belted waistband features a removable leather snap cover, preventing unnecessary scratches on your gas tank. 1 large zippered back vent and action back. Like our other jackets, the 60's New Yorker features armor pockets for our CE1 rated armor.